videos, we are going to be looking at Phase 5A. So hopefully by now you'd have completed Phase 3 and Phase 4. If there's any of those videos that you're still unsure of, do feel free to go back at any point. Now, just like our previous sessions, you will need a piece of paper for this and a pen to be able to join in with the different activities that we have for you. Do feel free to pause the video at any time and rewind any bits that you need to go back over. We hope you enjoy.
Ja. Wa. X. Ya. Z. Qua. Ch. Sh. A. E. I. O. U. A. O. Ow. Oi. Ear. Air. Yer. A. Ow. E. Oi.
Said, have, like, so, do, some, come, little, one, were, there, what, when, out.
O. Mr. Mrs. People. There. Called. Looked. Asked. Could.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to another phonics session with me. Today we're going to be continuing with Phase 5A and we're going to be looking at a brand new sound, which is I. I. See if you can say that one with me. I. Now this one mustn't be confused with an I that we previously learned, one of our trigraphs that we learned in Phase 3, which was I, G, H. Now this one actually has the same phoneme, so it does sound very similar. So we must make sure that we are being careful when we are choosing which one to use. Now, before we have a go at reading that today, we are just going to practice writing that. So for my I digraph, I'm going to use an I, and then I'm going to use an E. Fantastic. I-E, I. Now, if you did want to have a go whilst we are doing that today at joining those, I'm just going to show you how you might do that. So I'm going to go down, across here, into my E, and I'm going to do my dot afterwards. So see if you can have a go at joining up that grapheme for me today. Okay, before we have a read of those words, we're going to do a couple together. So as I press my sound buttons, see if you can sound out these words. T, I, tie. I wear a tie to school. I, lie. I told a lie and I felt guilty. Lastly, I'd, tried. I tried my absolute best. As you can see, as always, I've got 3 real words for you now, and I've also got 3 alien pseudo words that I'd like you to have a go at sounding out. Each of them features our brand new I sound. So pause the video for me now, have a go at reading those 6 words. First word I've got is I, pie. I baked a pie. Next, eyes, fries. I had fries with my dinner. Untie. I had to untie my shoelaces. My first pseudo word. I'd. Zide. I'd. Flied. Lastly, fime. Fantastic. Okay, I do have a sentence for you to have a go at reading. Pause the video now and have a go at reading that. Let's see how that sentence should sound. So my first word was a tricky word. I hope you spotted that. That was the word the. Another tricky word, the little. Did you get that one right? The little, boy, I'd, cried, the little boy cried, as, tricky word, he, the little boy cried as he, had, told, the little boy cried as he had told. Tricky word, some, eyes, lies. The little boy cried as he had told some lies. We are now going to have a go at segmenting some of our own words and trying to spell them at home. So let's segment a word together and I will challenge you to try and spell it. The first word is the word dried. Dried. Let's have a go at segmenting that word. I-d. Dried. Phoneme fingers. 4. D-r-i-d. Our first phoneme that we heard was d. So I'm going to go around his bottom, up his tall neck, down to his feet. Down and over the robot's arm. I'm then going to use my new digraph, having a go at joining those. D-r-i-d. Dried. My washing dried out on the line. Dried. Do double check that you got that one correct. And my last word I want you to have a go at segmenting is the word flies. Flies. Let's see if you can segment that word. F-l-i-s. Flies. And my first sound that I heard was a f. Okay, so I'm going to draw my f here. L, fl, fl. Eyes. S. Double check that. All eyes. Flies. Time flies when you are having fun. Fantastic. Okay. Let's have a go at writing our own sentence now. Here we go. The spies looked high and low for pies. Say that with me. The spies looked high and low for pies. 8 words in that sentence. You say it. The spies looked high and low for pies. Fantastic. Grab yourself your pen or your pencil and your piece of paper and have a go at writing that sentence for me now. So, the spies looked high and low for the pies. Let's have a go at writing that together now. So, we've got the capital T for this word, as it is the start of our sentence. It is a tricky word, so hopefully you remembered how to spell that one. The. Next word, spies. Spies. New digraph. The spies tricky word, looked. Hopefully you remembered how to spell this one. Looked. Wonderful. The spies looked high. High. Have a think about this one. It's not this grapheme that I need to use. It is a phase 3 one. It's a trigraph. It was this one. Wonder if you got that one right. The spies looked high and A-N-D and O. The spies looked high and low. 4. Do make sure that your F in 4 is an ascender and a descender, tall letter and a nice long letter. The spies looked high and low. 4. P. Eyes. With our new digraph. Let's double check. The spies looked high and low. 4